Welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down two of the most popular design apps out there, and the apps that we are going to be using for the sake of this course as a mobile designer, which is Canva and PixelLab. If you've ever wondered which one to use or what makes each one special, this video will make everything crystal clear, especially if you are just starting your design journey. Let's dive right into it. First up, I'm taking Canva. Canva is that one design tool that makes everything look easy for you. It's a cloud-based platform, meaning you can use it on your phone, your laptop, or tablet, anywhere, anytime, as long as you have internet. What makes Canva great? It's got a drag and drop system, so you don't have to be a pro to design. Canva gives thousands of templates for Instagram posts, business flyers, logos, YouTube thumbnails, and more. You also get access to stock photos, icons, shapes, fonts, and color palettes. Some are free, others are for pro users. And guess what? You can start a design from scratch too. Canva lets you move things around, change colors, and add effects, and make it truly yours. Isn't that amazing? Text and fonts in Canva. Canva has a massive font library, and if you are on the pro plan, you can even upload your own fonts. You can also add cool text effects like shadow, glow, curve, or lift, all in just a few clicks. Another big advantage is teamwork on Canva. You can design with friends, classmates, or clients, or even your colleagues in real time. Everyone can comment, edit, and share ideas right inside Canva. What about the exporting part of Canva? When you are done, you can download your work in PNG, JPG, PDF, video, and GIF formats. If you are a pro user, you can even use exports with transparent background, which is super useful for logos. And the downside of using Canva is Canva isn't perfect though. You will need internet access, and even though it's flexible, it's still template based, meaning it's not as advanced as something like Photoshop. Definitely it's not as advanced as something like Photoshop, but Canva is very good when it's in the right hands. Canva is perfect for beginners, small business owners, social media creators, and anyone who needs quick and beautiful design without so much stress. And here is the very best part that most people will not tell you about Canva. Canva is really amazing if it's in the right hand to create a stunning design. So next up we have PixelLab. Now PixelLab is a completely different vibe. It's a mobile only app, and it gives you more manual control over your design. Kind of like a mini Photoshop in your pocket. What makes PixelLab stand out? PixelLab is all about freedom. There are no templates, no drag and drop. You build everything from scratch, so it's a great place to practice your creativity. What about text and typography? This is where PixelLab shines. You can create 3D text, add shadows, strokes, emboss effects, curves, even textures. Like, what else are you looking for that you cannot find here? You can also import your own fonts to give your design that personal touch. Layers and objects, even element text. Every element, text, images, or shape is a layer you can move, lock, or hide. This gives you more professional control, and once you understand layers, your design will look way more polished. Backgrounds and canvas. You can set a transparent background, solid color, or photo background, and you can also change your canvas size. So whether it's an Instagram post or flyer, you are covered in this app. What about the exporting option? Well, when you are done, you can save your work in JPEG or PNG format, with or without transparency. That is, with or without transparency. And the best part, you can do all this offline. No internet needed at all. The downside, PixelLab doesn't have templates. It doesn't have teamwork like Canva or animations. It's all manual, and it takes a bit more creativity and patience to create on PixelLab. Once you master it, you are a pro to go. PixelLab is amazing for mobile designers, freelancers, or anyone who loves crafting their design from scratch, especially if you don't always have access to internet. For the sake of this course, we'll be making use of these two apps, as I have said many times over and over again. You get to know that these two apps are really amazing in the hands of the right person. In the hands of a good professional, not just a standby designer. So you get to know how amazing this app could be in the right hands. A quick short comparison of Canva and PixelLab. The features: Canva as a platform, it is available on web and app, while PixelLab is only app, which is Android. Works offline. Canva works online only, it doesn't work offline, while PixelLab works offline. Templates: there are thousands of templates on Canva, while there are none on PixelLab. Layer control is limited on Canva, while layer control in PixelLab is very, very strong. Collaboration is very, very well available on Canva, while collaboration is not available on PixelLab. But what else can we do on PixelLab? PixelLab is amazing in such a way that you can save your project as PLP file, whereby you get to send it to another designer or any other person who has PixelLab on their other end. Once they install it into their PixelLab, they will be able to get every design well structured the way you put it there. Both tools can help you grow. In the upcoming videos, we'll be looking at the tools inside each of these apps, that is introduction to Canva and introduction to PixelLab, where we'll be going through each tools in each apps, how they are used, how you can make use of them, what ideas can you came up with the tools or the elements in each of these apps. Both tools can help you grow. The key is to start creating today. Don't wait till you are perfect. Start with what you have and improve along the way. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which one you prefer, Canva or PixelLab. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video.